basketball is my favorite sport. I like the way they dribble up and down the court.
Dear the pride, you were born and raised in Akron, where you played b-ball every day. We watched you succeed in high school basketball. You were great. We always had faith in you. The Cavaliers, you played your heart out every year. We won some games with lots of joke and lots of cheer. We won some games, and then we thought this was our year. It never came, and you just let it disappear. At least we still have Mo. He puts forth an effort, and now you have to go to New York, Chicago. Are you gonna stay? We need you. We need you. Please don't walk away. We need you. We need you. That was good. You know it. They're playing basketball.